Hello children, welcome to your English class again. So students, as we are discussing our play, The Proposal. It has been penned on by Anton Chekhov. So students, in the previous lecture, I have discussed with you the Russian marriage and the author's biography. So students, today we will discuss about the summary, a short summary of the whole play that will help you to understand the whole story. Okay, so let's get started with the summary of the play, The Proposal. Okay, curtains rises with Lomov entering his neighbor Chubukov's house in neatly dressed up attire. So attire means एक सूट, ठीक है. अटायर मतलब पहनावा, और बहुत ही अच्छा पहनावा जो उसने पहना था चुबुकोव ने. कर्टन्स कहाँ स्टार्ट होते हैं? एक प्ले में बच्चों, प्ले जो होता है वहाँ पर एक स्टेज पे किया जाता है. ओके, और उसमें कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. तो वहीं जब पर्दा खुलता है तो लोमोव दिखाया गया है कि लोमोव जो है वो चुबुकोव के हाउस में एंटर होता है. एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट लोमोव इज चुबुकोव्स नेबर. ठीक है, तो वो लोमोव जो है एक बहुत ही सुंदर से अटायर में, बहुत ही स्मार्ट बनकर जो है वहाँ पर उनके घर पे आता है. Chubukov in great curiosity to see him well dressed and ask him the occasion. So Chubukov became very curious to know all about the dressing sense, what is the reason behind the dressing sense of the Lomov, and what is the reason of Lomov to come to his house. Lomov, he had come for a desire. So Lomov just reveals the reason behind his coming. That was he wants something from Chubukov. And what was that? Chubukov doesn't know, but Chubukov just started assuming all the things, and Chubukov assumes that he must have come to ask for money which he doesn't want to return. So Chubukov just started assuming that Lomov has come to his house only for the money. He just want to borrow some money from Chubukov. That's why he has come with that desire. And the money, he does not want to return it back. After knowing that Lomov had come to invite Chubukov's daughter Natalia's hand in marriage, Chubukov leaves to call Natalia. लेकिन जैसे ही उसको पता चलता है कि ये मनी लेने नहीं आया, he was not there to borrow money from him. He just there for Natalia's hand to marry Natalia. Chubukov feel very happy to listen all this, and Chubukov leaves to call Natalia. And Natalia, who is Natalia? Natalia is Chubukov's daughter, who is 25 years old. I had already told you. Lomov is a 35-year-old gentleman who suffers from palpitations and gets upset very easily. So अब लोमोव का जो है कैरेक्टर स्केच आपको बताया गया है यहाँ पे कि लोमोव एक 35 years old जेंटलमैन है, एंड उसको हमेशा हार्ट पल्पिटेशंस की प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है, and gets upset very easily, and in a petty issues he just upset very easily. He thinks it's the right age for him to marry and is happy that he's choosing Natalia. So he thinks that 35-year-old gentleman should marry, and it is the real age of a gentleman to marry, and he is also happy that he's going to marry with Natalia. He had chosen Natalia. He believes Natalia is average looking and an honest caretaker. So he believes, and he thought that Natalia is very good match for him. Natalia is average looking and believes that she is an honest caretaker. She can good take care of his household works and other things. On Natalia's arrival, Lomov initiates the conversation about the cordial terms of both the families. So, when the Natalia enters in the room, Then Lomov started first talking to Natalia over the terms of both the families, good terms, cordial terms of the both the families. He just started asking that we are good relatives, we are good neighborhoods, we have shared many good and bad things together. This all these things. While continuing to speak about his land, he somehow mentions Oxen Meadows, which earlier was a disputed property but is now his. So, over the Oxen Meadows topic, Natalia started talking about that the Oxen Meadows are not Lomov's family; they belongs to her family, and what they this is the one of the reason of their quarrel. Both enter into a heated discussion and act childishly, and Chubukov's entry made it more heated. So, both of them started calling among each other over the topic of Oxen Meadows. That one used to say Oxen Meadows are our family, belongs to our family, and Lomov also says that Oxen Meadows belongs to his family, and the conversation became very very heated. And then चुबुकोप्स एंटर एंड चुबुकोप को क्या वहाँ पर लड़ाई जो है ख़त्म करनी चाहिए थी, बट चुबुकोप के आने से और ज़्यादा एग्रेशन हो गया वहाँ पर. दे शाउट एंड स्क्रीम वाइल Lumov सफर्स फ्रॉम एक्सट्रीम palpitations एंड a numb food. सो जब भी ऐसा होता था ऐसी सिचुएशन में, चुबुकोप ने जब ये सब को बढ़ावा दिया, देन Lumov सफ़र्स फ्रॉम एक्सट्रीम palpitations. उसको जो है बहुत ज़ोरों ज़ोर से सांस लेने लगा वो, और उसके फूड जो है नम हो गए, सुन पड़ गए. नम मतलब सुन पड़ गए. दे थ्रो Lumov आउट ऑफ द हाउस एंड कंटिन्यू abusing him, and they just asked Lumov to get out from their house and abuse him in very very bad manner. While defaming him, Chubukov accidentally reveals that he had a wedding proposal for Natalia, which surprises Natalia, and she suddenly regrets sending him out. So, बीच में जब वो लड़ रहे थे लोमोव को जो है अब्यूज़ कर रहे थे, आपस में लड़ रहे थे, तो चुबुकोव को ये भूल चुका था कि लोमोव जो है he has come there to marry Natalia. Then when Natalia regrets that she had sent him out of the house, and she does not want that. She also likes Lumov. She tells her father to bring him back, and Chubukov blames himself for being the father of a young daughter. She tells her father to bring Lumov back. सो एंड चुबुकोव जो है वो अपने आप को कर्स करता है कि मैं कितना बदनसीब हूँ कि मैं एक यंग डॉटर का पिता हूँ. When Lumov returns, Natalia tries to debate the topic by talking about shooting. Little later, they enter into a debate on their dogs. So, अब नटालिया को पता था कि Lumov जो है वो एक मैरिज प्रपोजल के लिए आया है फॉर हर. सो शी जस्ट चेंज द टॉपिक एंड स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट शूटिंग. बट अ फ्यू मोमेंट्स later they enter into a debate on their dogs. So the dog's name was Gas and Squeezer. ठीक है. Natalia strongly believes that her dog Squeezer is better in comparison to Lumov's Gas. अब यहाँ पर भी the second reason is about the dogs, about the breed of dogs. First is for Oxen Meadows, their fight got started, and then about the breed of dogs. They continue arguing when Chubukov entered the scene, only to form things worse again. अब वो दोनों फिर लड़ रहे होते हैं, and Chubukov again enter in the situation and just he worsen the situation. बजाय इसके कि वो वहाँ पर भी उनको शांत करे, लड़ाई बंद करवाए, वो और ज़्यादा अब्यूज़ करने लगता है लुमोव को. ओके. देन everyone gets hyper and Lumov finally falls because of palpitations. Even then, the cursing continues when suddenly Natalia notices that he's unconscious. So, then एवरीवन गेट्स हाइपर, बहुत ज़्यादा हाई टेम्परेचर में चली गई वो सब कुछ लड़ाई। लोमोव जो है फाइनली जो है लंबी लंबी सांसें लेता हुआ वो नीचे गिर गया। एंड देन नटालिया रियलाइजेस दैट ही हैज़ बिकम अनकॉन्शियस एज दे फाइंड हिम अनेबल टू ड्रिंक वाटर। अब उनको ये भी लग रहा था कि वो पानी भी पीने के लायक नहीं है, वो गिर गया है। एंड डिक्लेयर हिम डेड। After a while, Lumov moves a bit. They give him some water to drink and Chubukov forcefully hands over Natalia's hand to him, give his blessings and ask him them to kiss. Then अब क्या होता है, लोमोव जो है उन्होंने लोमोव को बिल्कुल डेड जो है घोषित कर दिया था। दे बिलीव दैट नाउ लोमोव हैज़ डाइड ऑफ palpitations, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन Lomov just moved a little, then Chubukov forcefully take his daughter's hand and give the hand to Lomov and ask him to get married each other and just give them blessings and ask them to kiss each other as in the Christian weddings. After regaining his senses, he expresses his excitement and kisses Natalia's hand. And after he regained his senses, he expresses his excitement and kisses the hands of Natalia. Natalia again keeps convincing him that Squeezer is better than Guess. But Lomov, being adamant, refuses to accept this and the quarreling continues. सो जब ये सब हो गया, शादी की बात भी हो गई, सब कुछ सॉर्ट आउट हो गया, देन नटालिया बीइंग कॉल्सम शी स्टार्टेड आस्किंग अगेन एंड अगेन दैट स्क्वीज़र इज़ बेटर देन गैस। बट लोमोव इज़ ऑल्सो एडेमेंट, वो खुद एक ज़िद्दी था, उसने भी ये एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया कि नहीं तुम्हारा डॉग मेरे डॉग से बेटर है या नहीं। एंड देन द कॉल बिकेम्स अगेन कंटिन्यू. This is the whole summary of the play, The Proposal. So, in the next lecture, we will read the dialogues between these three characters. Okay, thank you, students.